Hi, my name is Mackenzie. I'm a Microsoft device specialist with Data 3, and this is the Surface Hub 2S. Now, there's another cool app on this device, and that's called Bing Maps. And with Bing Maps, we can get a very unique perspective that isn't possible on a lot of other applications. So in Maps, we can travel to the Empire State Building. And Microsoft has been nice enough to map all of this out in 3D. So while pinching, I can zoom right in on the Empire State Building and get a perspective like we're down at street level. Now, with this app as well, there's a lot of pen and touch tools that are actually built in. So we might want to know how long it's going to take to get from the Empire State Building to Bryant Park. So using the pen, we can mark out our route on the map. And just like that, we can see there's 820 meters to get to Bryant Park. If you'd like to learn more about the Surface Hub 2S, then contact a Surface specialist at Data 3 or visit data3.com.au.